Here I am at the plaza in front of the Tel Aviv Museum of Art. Given its proximity to the Israel Defense Forces headquarters, it has become a hub for families of the hostages and their supporters to urge the government to secure the release of those who were abducted by Hamas on October the 7th into the Gaza Strip. On New Year's Eve, the huge timer behind me is still reminding people how long the war has lasted. Also today, one day prior to 2024, Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu said in the past week over 100 Palestinian militants were killed and dozens were eliminated on a daily basis.